Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. I am really excited because it is October the 2nd and I am going to be going through with you guys my IPSY, what's going to be in my bags. I am going to be getting all three in the month of October, the Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, as well as the new Ultimate Bag. If you are new here, I hope you will choose to subscribe to the channel. It is the red button that is right underneath this video. It's free. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform. Nobody calls you, nobody emails you. However, if you do want to know that I just posted a new video, you simply have to press the bell that is beside the subscribe button. If everything turns gray, you're in. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with the Glam Bag. That's the $12 a month bag. That is now $12 in the month of October. It used to be the $10 bag. So this month they're saying flaunt it. It's the Glam Bag October. I'm trying to film this directly on the computer, so hopefully you guys will be able to see everything like I'm seeing it for the first time. Okay. The first thing it says is upcoming events. It's saying get extra products, and then it says see your bag. So the first thing that I always do is I check what's in all three of my bags before I go to the add-ons, because if it's already in your bag, there's no need to add on. All right, the Glam Bag, which is the entry-level bag at IPSY, is the $12 bag. You get you fill out a profile, and in the profile you give your skin color, your eye color, your likes, your dislikes, which brands you want, which ones you don't. So this profile really helps them choose the products for you. And I've been very lucky since I've been with IPSY. I've really been happy with majority of the items that they've chosen for me. Okay, the in this bag this month, this is the cute bag that they're adding in, which is the Betty Boop theme. They also are giving me this month the sample size of the Benefits Their Real Lengthening Mascara in black. This other company that I'm not familiar with, which is what I love about getting bags, is it introduces you to new companies and new products that you would never venture out and spend full price for. So getting them like this, I think, is so exciting. All right, this is the Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm in the color Peach Blush. The next item in here is the Comptoir Sud Pacific. It's in vanilla. It is an eau de toilette. The next item they have is from Kismet. It's a Buff Sugar Lip Scrub in bright and bubbly. And then the last item that I picked when they gave us the choice to pick one item in the bag, I chose the Betty Boop IPSY Satin Lipstick in Mauve It Baby. All right. So that's the first bag. That is the items that are going to be in that bag. So before I go to the extra products, I'm going to check what is in the next bag that I'm getting, which is the Glam Bag Plus. Now the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. All shipping is included, but you get full-size products in this. So let's see which ones they chose for me. So the bag is different. The bag here is your Glam Bag Plus. Every month I'll get 5 full-size products based on my beauty profile, which I explained. The next item is from Purlisse, which is the Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. The next item is from Tarte. It is a Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Fire Dancer. The next item that they chose for me is from Trestique. It is the All Over Starlight Powder Stick in Ultraviolet. The next item that they chose for me was Jules Smith Power Gloss Duo Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. If you watched some of my previous, I was hesitant. I wanted that and I wasn't sure which one I should choose. Either the next item, which is the Betty Boop Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette, or this Jules Smith, and I wasn't familiar with the Jules Smith, so I'm really excited that they chose that for me. So now I'm getting the two items that I really wanted in this bag. So the last item that's in here is the Betty Boop IPSY Cheek to Cheek, and I don't know if you can catch this, but it says you pick this. So that's another item that I picked. Each bag now you can customize one product in each bag to make sure that that is in your bag, which I think is really cool as well. So those are the items that are the full-size items that are going to be in my plus bag. Now for the ultimate, which is the exciting one because this is the first month that they are doing this. It is called the ultimate. My understanding was that you're supposed to get 8 full-size items as well as 4 deluxe sample sizes. So let's see what they picked for me. All right. The bag looks like it's the same bag, which I'm a little surprised, but we'll see when we get it here if one is bigger than the other. The first item here I have is from Pharmacy, the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. The next item I have is the Saim Natural Avocado and Shea Butter Mask Sheet Set. Then I have the C'est Moi Beauty Reflecting Lip Gloss in Opulence. I'm really happy I'm getting that because that was going to be one of my picks last month when I did some add-ons. So excited about that. The next item is Sela Skin, which is a creme de la creme, the very best cream. That's new to me as well. Color Rain Cosmetics Eyeshadow in Glamour. That's going to be new. Eye Balm Lemon Verbena Clay Mask, another new brand for me. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay, the Kaleido Cosmetic Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, another new one. And the next one's new one for me too, which is Lock Color Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. Excuse me, this is all new stuff. Oh my god. All right, the next item, it looks like it's a duplicate, so I'm going to have to write customer service because they told us there will be no duplicates in the bags if you get all 3. So I'm going to write to customer service because the Betty Boop was, as you saw in my last bag, that was already there. So I'm going to write to them and see what they do about that. Okay, the next item is Bio Race, which is a hydrating treatment serum. Another brand I'm not familiar with, so again, very exciting. Then they gave me the Farah brushes in the Midnight Pro Trio. This looks like a really unique brush set, so I'm excited to see what that looks like. And then I'm getting the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in, I think that looks like the Topaz one, and I think that's the only one that I don't have, which is very, very exciting. Okay, and then I picked for myself the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Wow. Okay, so a lot of product this month, so very excited about that. So now I'm going to go back to the beginning and go to the Glam Bag, and then I'm going to check the add-ons and see what we can do, because you're able to add now 5 products from a list of products, which I'm going to go through with you, to each one of my bags. So because I have 3 bags, I can add 5 in this bag, 5 in the plus, and 5 in the ultimate if I need to. But it looks like I got a lot of stuff. So let me just see and show you guys what the add-on opportunities are. So for the full-size products, they charge $12 each, and then for the sample-size products, they charge $3 each. But it's a combination of either or that you can do 5 of. So you can do a couple if you wanted the 12, and then a few of the 3, or just all 3. So however you want it, but it's 5 per bag. So the first item they have here is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Microabrasion Age Defining Exfoliator. The next item is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. The next item is from Laboratories Filaraga, which is an eye contour cream, dark circle, puffiness, wrinkle. The next item is the Hydrating Treatment Serum by BioRace. Then they have a couple of the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pots. Then they have the Balm Cosmetic What's the Tea? It's a hot tea palette. I think what's unique about that Balm palette is that they comes with 2 primer shades, one that's like a nude shade and then another one that's black. So you're able to transform the colors that are already in there. So I think it comes with like 9 shades, and then if you use it with the primer, it changes the colors. So it changes the 9 shades to like 27 shades. It's something really unique that the Balm did with that palette in particular. Okay, the next item they have is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Then they have the Touch de Sol No Pore Balm Priming Water. Then they have the Betty Boop IPSY That's So Betty Eyeshadow Palette, the ColourPop Cosmetic Bretman ColourPop Wet Lip Bundle, the Pixie by Petra Hydrating Milky Mist, and then the Lovecraft Blush Palette, the Farrah Brushes, and then the Moon Oral Care. It's a Kendall Jenner Teeth Whitening Pen in Vanilla Mint. That's pretty cool. All right, the next items are all the deluxe samples. The first one is Private Doctor Define Minus Serum. Then they have the Belief the True Cream Aqua Balm. Then they have the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain in Salute. The IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream in Fair. And then they have the other choices here in Light, Medium, and Tan. Then we have the Crown Brush, which is a Pro Chisel Fluff and Precise Crease Brush. They have the Sigma Brush in E25 Blending Brush. They have the Hemp's Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. The Marc Anthony True Professional Strengthening Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. And the Betty Boop Lip Gloss in All Jazzed Up. Then they have Betty Boop Blink and Wink Mascara, the Betty Boop Drawn to Your Eyeliner. They have their eye brush pencil, and then the Cheeky Blush Powder Blush in All Dolled Up. They also are giving us a choice of this company called Lenny, which is a loose eyeshadow in Brian Bay. The Kaleido Cosmetic Diamond Foils Eyeshadow in Paradiso. The Nomad Cosmetics Sydney Bothers Kiss Off Sun Highlighter in Balmora Beach. They have a Space Case Cosmetic Highlighter in Sheen from Space 1B. Then they have Raspberry Lip Treatment by this company, K. Voss, New York City, I think. Basic Beauty Jelly Blush in October the 3rd. They have Context Skin. It's a matte lipstick in Sweet Emotion or Come Clean. Then they have a First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. They have a Sephorny Botanicals in Camelina and Strobe. It looks like it's a luminizing primer. They have a Derma E Advanced Peptide and Collagen Moisturizer, and then the Derma E Vitamin C Concentrate Serum. They also have Aphrodite Skincare in Olive Deep Cleansing Face Mask and the Essence Herb Tea Tree Sheet Mask Duo. They also have the Sue AE Panda Eye Brightening Mask, and then they have another concealer brush. All right, and then you get to choose 5 from this page, and as soon as you add it on, this pink becomes a minus sign, and then these extra products, they give you what your total is. As soon as you place the order, that's it. You can't go back and change it. It's automatically going to be put into your bag that you chose it to be in, and then it automatically gets shipped along free freight with your bag. So let me just double check and see if the choices are the same for add-ons in the other bags before I start deciding what I'm going to do. So let's go here and let's check the extra products. Okay. All right. This looks like it's all the same that we just went through. And let me just check the deluxe samples. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be the same in this bag, the choices that they made for me. Now, somebody else, based on their profile, might have gotten different choices, which I learned last month, because another person who I checked when they got their bag, their add-ons were different than I even had the option to get. So let's check the extra products here under the Ultimate and see if they are the same. It all looks the same. Okay. Yeah, it's all the same. So I'm going to now sit down and decide if I'm going to do any add-ons, but I wanted to share with you guys everything that was available in my 3 bags, and then you have the entire day of October the 2nd to make sure that you go into yours and make your selections. But my suggestion to you is to always check what's in your bags first before you go on to the add-ons, because you might already be getting the items that you want in your bag. All right, thanks for joining me. Once again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. It will help me. It is the red button right underneath this video. Once you press it, it turns gray and you're in. Remember, it's free. It's solely to support me on the platform at YouTube. All right, thanks for checking in, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.